Hey guys, what's up? This is BSAT Investing. This is our 100K challenge, and right, so getting into it, Bitcoin is currently at around 56.8K, and if you look at the day chart with the MACD and the RSI, we're looking good. We did hit a little bit of a wall here, but we should see it seeing the positive for maybe a few days. We'll see what happens this week, because this week is a good turning point since it's the start of the month. So yeah, and currently the 5 minute chart, yeah, we did take a tumble here from 58K all the way down to 56. So we'll see how this keeps going. And this was not expected. I was expecting it to keep going up, but there's a lot of interest with BTC. And then if you look at ETH here, Ethereum's just killing it. Like since last week, I want to say Saturday or Sunday. Not this past weekend, but the previous one. It was at $2,100, and it's just been going up and up. It's at a high of $3,300, and it's up like I want to say 60% plus. I'll show you the comparison just a little bit. But Ethereum is killing it. There's a price target for Ethereum to get reach 10K. So we don't know which we'll see first, Ethereum to 10K or BTC to 100K. So that's the race that's going on. Now there is another race too of BNB, Binance Coin. Where'd it go? Right here. So Binance Coin getting overtaking Ethereum. So that means Binance Coin going over. We'll see. I think maybe the timeline is before the end of the year, and with Binance Coin up about $500. It was at around $500 at the same time when ETH was around $2,100. So this thing is up not so much, but it's up a good amount. And Ethereum, look at this, 32% up, and BTC is only up 6%. So Dogecoin has been killing it. I don't see any. I think it's just going on up on hype. I mean, you could own some. It'd be reckless not to own it. Some, just some, to take on the gains here. This thing keeps. There's a lot of big backers here. So, and Elon too. So. And there's a lot of followers for Elon. So, yeah. And it's already a big cap, like over $56 billion. So I don't see this going down to small cap anytime soon. It's already here, so it's not gonna fall that much. Next is looking good with. I think it's a really good time for me to pick up some Solana here as well. Not much movement in the past week. And you see some of the coins are up ridiculous. 30, 40, 30, 50, 60. Makers up 60%. Yeah, so do your research with those. Well, let's get into the 10K, 100K challenge for us. For us to see a hyper growth progress, I will have to buy coins, and then I'll adjust the right here, the numbers here. So this won't be the most accurate number. What I'll do is I'll buy crypto coins, and I will adjust it with both of them. So you won't see me adding any more cash in here. I will be buying more crypto, because with crypto, I see a huge potential. Like with Michael Saylor just saying, with MicroStrategy's CEO, if you don't know MicroStrategy, they have a shit ton of Bitcoin. It's ridiculous how much Bitcoin they have. And he's saying Bitcoin will be one day at $100 trillion market cap. And I'm thinking more of the entire crypto market being around $100 trillion market cap. I don't know the timeline, but one day, right? So, and right now the entire crypto market is only at $2.2 trillion. So with Bitcoin dominance falling down in the past week from 50 coming down to 46, that means the altcoins are also just killing it. And look at the Ethereum one; it's came down to 14%, and it's going up now. So it looks like BTC dominance is going down, but this does not mean that it's going to stay down, because BTC is the driver for crypto. So with BTC almost half the valuation of the crypto market, I don't see this going down that further. Like, the dominance is going to probably stay around that. Let's see. Yeah. And I have this website where I show the comparison a little bit. Okay, so if you look here, this gives us like a snapshot of the market, the crypto market. So in a 1 hour change in the past hour, and then 24-hour change. So you'll see what's really going up. And yeah, so right now, really big on Solana, but it's going down. So let's see. Okay. So what I want to show you is the 3-month. Let's see. Yeah, the 3-month change. So in the past 3 months, we've seen the market really unstable and just down pretty much, right? For the past 2+ months now. So, and unless you're in like really big companies, even those are like really unstable. So yeah, even with the growth, I don't know what kind of portfolio in the stock market kind of matches these crypto growth and these ridiculous gains. So just look at this. BTC in the past 3 months is up 68%. Whose portfolio is up 68% in the last 3 months in the stock market? Then that's just I want to see that might be the lowest one here. So Ethereum is up 145%. BNB is up 1.3k%. And Dogecoin, can't really say much about that. ADA, slow growth. What I like is the slow growth progression. So I know that we have a nice steady movement. Let's see here. Solana is up almost 1,000%. BET is almost 700%. So you see these coins in these projects are doing really good. PancakeSwap is up 2,000%. And it's crazy. Matic, Polygon, yeah, Polygon is killing it lately. Like, I want to say for the past 7 days. If you look at the past 7 days, Polygon, Matic, where'd it go? Oh, Polygon. There we go. 52%. Okay. It's still a good change. Yeah. ETH Classic is also doing good. But right with the big boys, ETH, BNB, there's a kind of like a race with BNB catching up to Ethereum. I don't know if it'll happen this year, but I think that Binance Coin is going to do really well. There's a lot of money in Binance, so that's going to do really well. So you want to check out this website if you want to play around with it, coincodex.com, and just see the gains and look at the sectors as well. So currently it looks like, yeah, we're coming close to $2.3 trillion market cap. So pretty much the idea is that I'm going to focus more on crypto coins for the long term. So if you're looking at the short term, I don't know what to say, but because the movement could be, we've had the alt season come in like for the past like 1 or 2 quarters now. So yeah. Okay, so let's just get into the WealthSimple here. I think we're down maybe 2% today. Yeah, 2% because we're down $100 or so. And Census has a let's see here. I just got a letter from a Census. Let me just open this up right here. So they have a shareholders meeting coming up, and apparently we're voting. There's a vote coming in that's due March 20th, and I think it's a voting for I think it's, yeah, for director and some other stuff. Yeah, there's about 7 nominees for to elect for the director position. So, and there's a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, right. And I think that's gonna be on vote by June 2nd. So if you're invested in the census, yeah, that's coming out. I think yeah, they haven't had much news lately for the past few months. So, and let's see. So, bingo. What? Yeah, we have a few news, by the way, with our crypto challenge. I kind of got carried away with the crypto market. Let's see. So it says Georgia Esoteric and Molecular Lab at Augusta and University now offers diagnostic service for constitutional genetic disorder based on OGM with Bingo's Sapphire system. So pretty much with the previous stuff, with the previous model and how they used to do it, expensive, take a long time. So pretty much the story with Bingo's Sapphire is less time, like very, very less, and then way cheaper with their system. So pretty much that's the general message to take from that. And it's really good. And I want to see more adoption, and this is a good start. So we'll see. We'll probably have more news coming in like that. So yeah. Let's see, with the genomic stocks, kind of, oh my goodness, OCGN is killing it. Oxygen, yeah, they are killing it. And they also had they closed their direct offering. Okay, I think they were down all the way down to $5, so they're up 200%. Wow, that is really, really good. And that's within the past 2 weeks. So if you're invested in that, that's really good. And I think they have earnings coming up next week, looks like. So yeah. Right, so let's get into BITFARMS. BITFARMS is killing it since it became the top dog, the top miner in terms of hash rate. And they're just really, really killing it, like since they got to 1.42 exahash. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, look at this. The base was at around 403. I think we bought some at 441, 44. Let's see, 447. So we bought some at 447 when it was close to the bottom. I think, yeah, it came back up, and then I thought it was gonna go up, and then but it just came back down, and then that presented another buying opportunity, and now it's all the way up to 693. So yeah, I think it was a really good time. I think I recommended a buy with that one at that point. I don't know if I was recommending. I was just saying that it was a really good time to pick up some more BitFarm shares, because I just didn't believe that was where this company would be at, because if you look at the price, it fell from 650 to all the way down to $4. I just thought this company was not at that valuation. That was not appropriate for that company. It was really, really undervalued. So I'm glad the market saw it that way as well. So saw a nice bump, and I don't think this company BitFarms has had a negative day since the news of their increase in hash rate to 1.42. So even when other companies, miners, are doing not so good in this climate, BitFarms just keeps going up. So yeah, that's great. Okay, so let's see. I think we had some news with Immersion. Sorry, no. They do have earnings in a few days, Thursday. DigiHost, we had a release of end of year financials, so I'll probably have to do another video with that one, but most likely I'll do it tomorrow. So yeah, let's see. Neptune Digital, let's see, minus. Okay, this is another really good opportunity to buy right now. They're at a really low point right here since April. Yeah, since about a month ago. So it's a really good buying opportunity here. And with DigiHost as well, they just released their financials today, for just like I said. But with the chart, it's a really good buying opportunity too, because they've just been on a downturn since the high of 5.65. So yeah, 163. I want to say 163 was all the way back in February 564. So between that time, so 2 months. Sorry, March, April, May. No, 3 months. So almost 3 months time now. So we're seeing a low of almost 3 months. So yeah, let's see. I think that was it for the news. Bingo, right? So I'll have to do a video on DigiHost. And yeah, so overall, I think with this challenge and with the adoption of just buying the coins and doing that with the challenge, I think we'll do really, really well. So we'll take both the advantage of the miners and the crypto coins as well. And so we really, really want to take advantage of this bull run. So yeah, they do have crypto here, but it's really limited, and you don't own the address, pretty much. And if you don't own the address, you don't own the coin or whatever project that you're getting. But they only have, I think they only have BTC and Ethereum in WealthSimple. Pretty much goes everything against what crypto and blockchain stands for. Pretty much they own the address and everything, and then you just own like the right for that. But then you can't really buy another. You can't exchange for another crypto. You can only sell it for dollars. So yeah, I don't like that here. So I'm gonna exchange on Binance. Or yeah, I think Binance, because I'll have the most opportunity even to get with these smaller, maybe mid cap to big cap ones. So like Solana, they are in Binance. So you see Binance, FTX. I think they also have. Okay, no. Yeah, so Binance. So with the Binance, the best price looks to me like BTC. Okay. Right, so Sol and BNB, so USDT. Okay, USDT looks like the better price. So yeah. Okay, I think that's it for this one. I know I didn't do a video this weekend, but a little makeup for that today. So let's see. So overall, 72% in the past week, 4%. So yeah, still negative in the month, -2 here. So yeah. So yeah. All right. I think that's it for this one. Please feel free to like and subscribe. I think we'll have really, really hyper growth if what my research is showing, like with the cryptos, with $100 trillion market cap for crypto market, that's what I'm thinking. But Michael Saylor is saying one day BTC could be $100 trillion. I think first we'll have to get past the gold 10 trillion market cap, and I think after that it's game. It's literally game. We'll see. And the adoption of blockchain technologies and all that, it's gonna exponentially be so much better investing in the coins itself and the project itself and the DEXs and dApps. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.